In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear view camera on your Honda Accord. Remove all the clips out of the trunk lid liner. I'm going to use a trim tool. Remove the liner. There's going to be two 10mm screws. Do the same thing on the other side. There's going to be two little tabs on each side. There's going to be one on this top panel. You're going to squeeze that and you're going to push up. And you're going to go down the line and do that for all of them. Once you've pinched your clips, pull this trim straight off, push on the little tab, and pull the connector out. There's a little tab on the left side of this camera. We're going to push that in, and then push the camera out. And then remove the camera, fish the wire out, install the camera into the trunk, snap it up into place, install the connector, slide the trim piece on, install the bolt, snug it down. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the lid liner. And put your clips in. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.